there is nothing more important than our waterways and keeping them clean. Runoff and trash from all over the county ends up in our waterways, and this morning we had the opportunity to pick up just some of the debris that we each contribute to. Wow, they're in like quick mud. Yeah, I've been trying so hard to pick up all the styrofoam, but it's broken into a million pieces. Well, what's interesting is like one good rainstorm and all the trash that's just sitting around the county comes straight down here. You got another tire? Oh. Look, even bright red, we can't see. I believe that giving 2 hours of my time can make a huge impact. It's been really revealing to see all of the little microplastics of things. Yeah. I think the fact that we had enough tires to build a car in just like a quarter mile of a beach. Guys, we were only out here for an hour, and look how much we got. I did too. It was really fulfilling.